Hi, thank you for watching this ACE tutorial. How to install and remove a tire. The tool you need is a 3mm hex key. Make sure the tire is completely deflated before disassembling. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the 5 screws on the back of the hub. Remove the back cover of the hub. Push the inner tube valve out of the hub and separate the hub from the tire. Remove the inner tube. When installing a new inner tube, please pump some air into the tube to allow it to expand slightly, which will make it easier to install. Install the inner tube into the tire. Install the hub into the tire. Make sure the tire and hub are fully installed. Install the hub's back cover. Install the screws on the hub. Tighten the screws using a hex key. Inflate the tire to ensure there is no leakage in the inner tube. Tire removal and installation completed.